When I met my client, he was 17 years old and he qualifies for something called special immigrant juvenile status because he was neglected, severely neglected by his parents. The problem is, to apply for this type of relief, a client needs to have a custody order from a judge here in Pennsylvania before they turn 18. My client was released less than a month before his 18th birthday. And honestly, I first said to the client, we're not going to be able to help you. This was just an incredibly heavy lift, but Karen made it happen. It was unbelievable.
I did 10 years of work in like the equivalent of a legal equivalent of an emergency room. So it is one of my skills that I can work really quickly if necessary to avert a disaster like turning 18 without having applied for your SIJ status.
I know she's already a very busy person, but she was amazing. She was an incredible combination of patient and understanding, but also really determined and careful and strategic, and worked really, really hard for this case. Karen did an amazing job.
I have some relatives who were helped by HIAS back in the 1980s. So I've always known of the organization, and I love immigration work. It's so important. It's really important to me that the U.S. keep welcoming immigrants, as many as we can.
We're so grateful to Karen because her work over the course of a month made an enormous difference in this boy's life. Honestly, it just set him on the path to a really stable and secure future in this country. So just so grateful.
A lot of times the clients and their families are coming from places that don't have strong rule of law, where there is zero trust in legal institutions or government institutions. It's pretty special to get to introduce people to a place where they will be treated fairly under the law, and to help acclimate them to the U.S. legal system. I hope to do many more cases with HIAS in the future.